This workshop has helped me to understand concepts of Arduino, as well as now I can make Arduino projects on my own, and I am very thankful for this knowledgeable workshop.
Thank you for the great training and practically built circuits of Arduino made the course enjoyable.
Really mind-blowing workshop. I like sensor practical most. Thank you Digital Transformation Pro.
Workshop was really awesome, especially sensor part. It helped me to build my college projects.
Very good workshop, and I understand all Arduino concepts.
I understand all concepts. Thank you.
This workshop was extremely knowledgeable and useful. I am now able to write Arduino programs, and I will definitely try to build Arduino projects.
This workshop helps me to understand the concepts of Arduino. After attending this workshop, now I can make my own Arduino projects. Thank you for organizing such a nice and wonderful workshop for us.
I was doing this IoT workshop and I really like it. The course content is a very good for the students who has a beginner in IoT field. The instructor explains each and everything in details. Thank you Rohini ma'am and Digital Transformation Pro for